Hey everybody, well welcome back. Glad you're here on Ken's Food Reviews. We got some football on tonight. Decided to go do part two of Woody's barbecue. Wanted to go on a little datel pepper kick today. I couldn't think of what better way to do it. And get some ribs with datel pepper, hot sauce, some creamed corn with datel peppers. That was pretty bomb right there, and it smells so good. It's just like literally mouth-watering good already. So excited to taste it. Let's get some lights up in here. I did pay the electric bill to keep these on. Oof. Came close though. I was like begging the guy almost to not cut me off anymore. Don't pay your bills, we cut the cords. It is what it is, hey. So we got some datel pepper beans. Absolutely amazing smelling. I wish I can just describe how mouth-watering these beans and corn are, especially these ribs. Woodpecker is probably about 20 minutes away, so I literally just drove with it in my truck. Didn't even touch it. I'm dying because it smelled so good. We can't forget their really good sweet tea. You get it in a monster-sized cup. Absolutely love going there. Good spot. So here we go. We got some beans. Some datel peppers. The beans aren't overdone. They have a nice texture to them. Very well cooked. The flavors just go amazing in them. We got two different kinds of beans in there. I think it's like pinto beans and baked beans. Got a little onion up in there. Definitely got some datel peppers. Really no seeds in it, so it's not really too hot. It's just nice enough to give that flavor and that kick. Really on point. Probably some of the best barbecue baked beans I've ever had in my life. Let me go back. I don't know if you noticed that little bit of pepper hanging off. It's just so good. The cream corn I'm excited to try. I wasn't sure how it was going to come out. I wasn't sure it was going to be like corn on the cob with some datel pepper seasoning on it. Or it was just going to be like buttery corn or cream corn. This place does a great job. I'm always a fan of coming here for barbecue. So we got the corn, datel pepper, cream corn. Here goes nothing. It was good. It tastes like cream corn. There's not much datel pepper in it.
According to local building codes, fences can have a maximum height of 96 inches. Food for thought.
Maybe we'll switch up the palate a little bit. We'll talk about some of these ribs right here. Look at that, nice smoked ribs. Nice pink inside. Crispy on the outside. Maybe if I get the taste of datel pepper out of my mouth, I'll be able to taste it. These ribs are so juicy and tender though. They literally fall off the bone good. Check out the size of this rib. And look at the color of that. Nice and pink, and then more brown in the middle. Nice slow cooked. Plenty of seasoning on it. Oh man, it's just such a good rib right there. And they give you some datel pepper sauce. They got like a mild one and a hotter one. The hotter one is still pretty mild. This meat you don't even need seasoning or sauce for. This is what barbecue is all about, is not needing to put sauce on. If you need to dress up the taste of your meat, when you got problems. You know, just taste that nice smoky texture in it. It's nice and hidden. It's not overpowering. It's there. It's so good. That kind of just defeated the purpose why I started eating the ribs. Let's try this corn again, though.
He's going to walk Clark right back into Rivers. Rivers has to step up, a little bit of panic, and he doesn't see Red White coming in and stepping in front of that pass. So once again, the pressure leads to a turnover.
Yeah, the corn I can still taste it slightly. It's really not prominent in the corn. It definitely tastes like cream corn though. It's still really good. I just figured it would be a little more spicy or a little more flavorful with the datel pepper. But I am eating everything here with datel pepper. So maybe I'll have to give it another shot when I'm not so plate full of good hot sauce. But Woody's BBQ. You can check them out in St. Augustine or Route 16A. State Road 16A. You gotta try them out. Definitely 8.7. That's my review.